guys, so as of 10:30 AM, ganito pa rin yung weather natin ngayon. And check out na ako. So someone is assisting me going to the cable car kung saan tayo sumakay. And sabi ko, babalik ako dito kasi nga gusto kong matry, ma-experience yung summertime. So probably May or June. And then ang gagawin natin is akit ulit tayo dito. Tapos ang babae talaga nila. Sabi kung may request daw ba ako for my next stay, if I want a balcony or may bathtub. So I guess with balcony. Diba para mga ganun, no? Next time. So we're in Hotel Denise or Denise. Alright. Oh, mga shortcut pala to guys. Uulan na naman. Ayan na naman siya. So yeah. And ayun, nag-thank you naman ako kay Danny for the service of course. And nag-thank you din ako kay Stella for assisting me all throughout my stay here. And yung iba hindi ko na nabanggit pero i-shoutout ko na lang. And of course, to my friend, diba, nakaka-amaze ang service nila dito. Look at the fog. So by the way, check out na tayo. So ito na yun. Yan. And we're here. Nakakaluha yung lamig. I'm not sure kung dito tayo galing. Oh yeah, parang dito na. And again, we have separate line for the cable car going down. So we don't need to fall in line with the regular visitors ng area na to. Wow. This one? Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much. See you again soon. Nice. Thank you Bana Hills. Again, thank you Danny, thank you Stella. I forgot the name of the guy sa lounge, sa reception again. I forgot the name, sorry. So sabi ko lang na picture kami, tapos siya yung nag-ask. Thank you so much again for the wonderful service, amazing stay ever, kind of foggy. So we will be back here guys, don't worry. Kung hindi man next month, sa susunod na month, but I guess this year, gusto ko actually bumalik. Parang ano eh, nag-enjoy ako actually, pero mas piling ko mag-enjoy ako pag bumalik tayo. So I guess Shane, si Shane kausap ko lang kanina, sabi ko, sumama na siya kasi last time hindi niya kinaya dahil mahal yung ticket. Around 22,000. Basta pag may seat sale, Shane, go ka na. Alright, so guys, we will meet Kuya Tanlok down the hill. But look at the view first. Look at this. Yan, yung isa sa inyo bibilis bigla. Wow, wala akong makita. Grabe. Ayan, oh. Thank you, Bana Hills. And thank you, Mercure Danang, Bana Hills French Village, to all the management and staff. Thank you so much. I had fun. I had an amazing stay. Guys, have a wonderful service. The hospitality, grabe. O, diba? Live. Ano, kumbaga naka-video yung review natin. Pero feeling ko naman guys, kahit hindi kayo Accor Plus member, equal naman yung treatment. Yun nga lang, katulad nung may maghahatid sa inyo ng luggage, going up and going down. Yun, pero kung regular guest or regular guest kayo ng hotel, pag check out ata kanya-kanya na. Yun nga lang hinatid tayo. So yun, thank you again. Look at the view. Look at what we have now. Wala naman tayo makita, pero wala. Grabe yung excitement ko. Kasi alam ko babalik tayo dito. So again guys, minessage ko si Kuya Tanlok and we will meet him down the hill, sa mismong Bana Hills entrance. And bibigay ko lang na yung kanyang plate number doon sa bellboy, tapos susundin niya na tayo. And we'll see you guys next week. At tayo ay mag-i-stay sa Novotel Danang Premier Han River. Ganon. So, syempre watch out. Pero, ang ginagawa ko guys, alam niyo ba? Kung mapapansin niyo sa mga vlog natin, lalo na sa Hong Kong na vlog, may part din na parang may siningit ako. Pero, nasa ano na tayo, sa ibang lugar. Ang ginagawa ko kasi, kung ano yung suot ko at that time, para hindi magmukhang ibang araw ko na siya kinuhaan, sinusuot ko ulit same shirt. Nalalaban naman, pero yon same. Kaya parang magmumukhang, ay, ang tagal naman niya sa Vietnam or sa Thailand. Ganon. Wala lang, parang gusto ko lang continuation. Pero ano naman, after this, mag-aano siguro tayo, i-add ko dito yung hotel tour ng Novotel. Para naman yung ating separate video is about the hotel tour and the breakfast buffet experience. And then we will also have a lounge access, guys, with breakfast buffet, with afternoon tea. Tapos meron din kasamang evening cocktails ulit. Oh my God, kailangan ko mag-cardio. While looking at the view, though walang view, ayan, mas maganda dito kasi may mga maano sa likod. Ayan guys. Woo! So anyway, going back, magkakaroon tayo ng video agad. Bukas na bukas din, pag-upload nito, then tomorrow. Kasi nga gusto ko pag napunta tayo sa isang bansa, lahat ng vlog journey ko na ginawa ko is araw-araw. Parang per episode siya per country, di ba? Hanggang sa matapos, tapos next country na naman or next destination, ganun! And sinasabi din, if you want to get to know more about the park, the amusement park or the Bana Hills, guys, you can visit their website. Nandun yung mga prices, nandun yung mga shows, nandun yung kung ano yung i-expect nyo, and meron din silang map. Okay? Para at least malaman nyo na kung saan. Though pagdating nyo naman dito guys, ayan, may mga map dito. At saka pag may motion sickness kayo, meron ditong paper bag. So yun, again, if you're a guest or mag-i-stay dito sa Bana Hills for an overnight stay, may sarili kayong cable car. But if not, if you're gonna do the whole day tour lang, then doon kayo sa parang public access. And then, kapag pupunta naman kayo dito guys, make sure na alam niyo yung weather. Kasi katulad nito, winter time, so foggy. Pero mas maganda syempre ang summer. Pero ibang feel din kasi, ibang feel yung binibigay, ibang vibes yung binibigay ng winter season or winter time dito sa experience natin. Makikita nyo naman, nakita nyo naman actually, di ba? Tapos, if you want to explore talaga, especially at night, kasi mas maganda yung lights at saka Bana Hills mismo sa gabi, book a room na lang guys, kahit pinakamababang room. You can book through our app or you can book through Klook and you can use my promo code Mark Paragas Klook for instant discount up to 5 times used per account. Basta, gano'n lang ng gano'n. Hindi na naman hotel lang sa Klook guys, paulit-ulit tayo. Nasa sa inyo yun, it's your choice kung saan kayo magbubook, but still, trusted ko naman ang Klook. And did you know na kapag nakatapos kayo ng isang activity, isang tour, or may binook kayong hotel, or let's say, eSIM and travel insurance, automatically guys, you need to do a review, honest review, and aside from getting a discount of those bookings, pag nag-review kayo guys, with pictures, para, syempre may ano na lang din, parang pakita kayo kahit picture nung kinuha niyong tour, or kahit anong picture, at least 3 pictures na i-upload niyo, you will get an instant 50 Klook cash. Yung 50 Klook cash na yun guys, syempre pag na-accumulate yun, per tour yun ha, per booking. So ibig sabihin, kung kumuha kayo ng cable car, kumuha kayo ng Alpine Coaster, automatic dalawa na agad yun. So 100, 50, isa kasi, isang review, equivalent to 50 Klook cash. So yung cash na yun guys, pag umabot mga 300 Klook cash, 400, you can use them as a discount or as a credit on your next booking. Pero it doesn't necessarily mean na kunwari naka 50 Klook cash kayo or 100, ganun din yung amount in pesos. Hindi, parang I'm not sure kung magkano, pero parang nasa 100 pesos lang, yung mga ganun. I'm not sure kung magkano yung equivalent niya into pesos, but still, di ba, nakakatawa. Nakabook ka ng mura, kasi mura karamihan yung mga tour or mga activities na meron sa Klook. Tapos pag ginamit nyo pa yung code ko, you will get instant discount, 5%, 3%. Then, after ng tour, di ba, nakakatawa. Pero totoo, and sabi ko nga sa inyo, watch out kasi may ituturo kasi yung hack kung paano kumita ng pera while booking a tour, booking a flight, shopping online, yung mga ganon, through Shopback. So syempre separate video na yun guys. Gagawin natin yung pagbalik natin at pag-stay natin sa Novotel. Gusto ko maganda yung view. So I'm super excited to go back here and thank you so much guys sa pagsama sa akin. Pero hindi pa dyan nagtatapos kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, pagdating natin sa Novotel, mag-room tour agad tayo. Alright, so that's the continuation of this vlog, of this video. So dyan lang kayo, stay tuned guys kasi bimit ko lang si Kuya tapos biyahe na tayo. And, yun pa pala, i-promote natin si Kuya kasi trusted naman siya, mabait, yun. Pag magbubook kayo ng mga driver, actually, private car, private driver, hindi siya photographer guys ha. Hindi rin siya sumasama or guide, magiging tour guide ninyo. So, basically, driver lang talaga siya. If you want to go from one place to another, like Da Nang, Yue, Hoi An, you might want to consider getting Kuya. If you want to book him, then message him, okay? Just let him know na sa akin yung nakuha para naman at least alam niya. O syempre, para hindi tayo mapahiya or para hindi siya mapahiya. Ayun. He will take good care of you. Mabait, may libre kayong water sa loob. Tapos mga times na may mga attractions na pupuntahan kayo, bahala kayo sa time kung kailan nyo gusto. Basta maghihintay lang siya sa sasakyan. Ganon. Hindi niya kayo kukontrolin na, 2 oras lang dito, 3 oras, mga ganon. Marami. Ask him kung pwede kayong gawan ng itinerary, bibigyan niya kayo. Ganun yung pinaramdam niya sa akin, guys, without knowing na vlogger ako. Kasi lately niya lang nalaman. Parang nung hinati tayo sa Bana Hills. So yun lang, guys, again. And ayan pa rin ang view natin. Sorry, walang view. Pero I'm satisfied and I'm happy. So ganun, guys, no matter what happened, rain or shine, be happy. Kasi kunwari, ganito, tas foggy, di ka naman din nag-check kasi ng weather. Ano gagawin mo? Malulungkot ka. Eh di, go na tuloy ng laban, di ba? Parang yung lahat ng mga negative thoughts, turn it to positive thoughts. Parang at least happy pa rin kayo, ma-enjoy nyo lahat ng stay nyo dito. Ay, ayan na maraming tao. And this ride will take like, I think 20 to 25 minutes, guys. Kita nyo naman yung view, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, pag maaraw, sobrang ganda pa niya. Tingnan. Tapos, syempre, nagmo-moist dahil nga umulan. So, pag wala yan, edi mas maganda. Pero di ba, aminin nyo, anong gagawin natin? Edi enjoy na lang natin. Bakit may nagsasabi bang hindi enjoy yun? Pero parang feeling ko, hindi na maulan sa baba. Ayan. So, malapit na tayo. Siguro mga ano na lang to. 10 minutes. Okay. So, guys, we'll see you there.
A few moments later.
Thank you. Nakakatuwa talaga, guys. Puro mga... Ay, ito si Kuya yung may tsura. Yung nagbibigay ng mga voucher for free craft beer. Nakakatuwa kasi mga Thai nandito. Tumatawid lang sila. So anyway, sabi ni Kuya nandiyan na siya sa baba. So, I guess that's it. Ipapa-welcome na tayo kay Kuya. And then, jump tayo ulit sa Love Hotel. Same outfit. Same hairstyle. Kasi next week lang din naman yun. Ito ulit yung tsura niya. Ciao. Let's go. How's the weather here? It's raining.
Raining?
Yeah. Alright, guys, so this trip will take up for about an hour.
How did you feel in Bana Hill, bro? Raining?
I like it. Yeah, it's raining, but I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, it's really cold.
Very good.
Yeah.
Will you go in the evening, right?
Yeah, I went out. I'll be back here. Maybe it's the best month again,
Yeah.
like summer.
Yeah. See you next time. Bana Hill.
Bye-bye. Welcome, guys, to Novotel. Da Nang Premier. Han River.
Thank you for your team member.
Oh, thank you.
So, to go pick up.
Okay. So, if you're Platinum or Diamond, guys, you have your own access. What floor?
29th floor.
Okay. What's your name? Sorry. Martin.
My name is Martin.
Yeah, Martin. Kuya. Do you have a rooftop?
Yes, we have a rooftop on the 36th floor.
Okay.
So rooftop to go to another elevator. Open from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Rooftop is not belong to hotel.
Got it. I see. Is it like a restaurant or?
Yeah. So the snack in the in the bar, the cocktail, the beer.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome to Premier now. May I have your passport?
Sure.
Thank you. So
Okay,
we
thank
have
you.
the afternoon tea time, so I invite you enjoy it.
Alright.
Yeah, you can sit anywhere you want.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Panorama.
Yeah. Thank you, Martin.
Yeah, the
Dragon
Mercure,
Bridge.
Grand Mercure.
Oh yeah. I actually walked like going to Sontram night market.
China
Yeah.
market there. You walk along the river.
Oh,
You
yeah.
can across the street, across the river, and you can see the
That one.
That one. Yeah.
Yeah.
And near the group.
The Lovers Bridge.
Yeah, Love Bridge. Yeah,
Yeah.
correct. Over there for Love Bridge.
Nice.
Over there for the Lady Buddha.
Oh yeah. I went there actually. Oh yeah. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Go ahead.
Xin chào to Aragas, my name is Dinesh from the front office manager. Yes, just want to welcome you to the Premier Lounge and to the Novotel Hotel.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I see you're very happy with the being welcome to Platinum.
Yeah.
We already offer your room to the very nice view, the same with the latest one.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Thank you.
In the night time, on the light sea office, the city is very wonderful.
Nice.
And don't miss our pre-dinner tonight and afternoon tea as well.
Mhm.
Pre-dinner from 5:30 to 7:30. We're serving some variety of the sea food.
Okay.
And we have some kind of the signature beer, local beer, and
Oh, yeah.
wine as well. Yes.
I'm excited
Yeah.
to try that.
Yes.
For the afternoon tea, till what time?
And from around 30 minutes more, we will set up some cookie and drinking for all the guest member.
Okay,
Yes, here. Yeah.
And for the coffee, it's gonna be the whole day, right?
Yes, of coffee is already anytime you can come there and enjoy the coffee. Yeah.
It's
And
nice.
before 10 p.m.
Alright,
Yes, sir.
alright.
Yeah. Anything, let me know, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
My passport.
Thank you.
Yes, and this is your room key downstairs and 28th floor.
Got it.
Yes.
So, ayan na nga. We've met Tin. He is the front office manager. VIP na naman tayo, guys.
Nice.
Nakaka-overwhelm. And ang room lang talaga natin is like superior room. And as per ate, I forgot to get her name. So we were upgraded to suite room with this view, corner room. Hindi naman sa pagyayabang, in-expect ko na. So in-expect ko na, kaya sabi ko, dito ako mag-video about the shop back and everything. Nice meeting you, Tin, the front office manager, Martin, who assisted me going up here. And also I'll get Ate's name. So another lounge access to, guys, breakfast buffet, afternoon tea and dinner buffet. Thank you.
Yes. And this is information for Premier Lounge. We will open from 6:30 to 10 p.m. So whole day you can come here for drink tea, coffee or soft drink is free.
Okay.
Yeah. Breakfast from 6:30 to 10:30 and until 11 at the weekend. So you can use breakfast here or 4th floor.
Okay.
Because 4th floor is the main restaurant, so you more option for food over there.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
So you only have limited food here for the
Yeah.
breakfast. Okay.
Yeah, just here we have just more on the breakfast corner.
On the 4th floor. Okay.
Yes. But in here we have private and a little
yeah,
bit.
privacy. I know.
Yes,
I know.
yeah. Afternoon tea from 12 to 5 at that time, so you can enjoy some cake, fruit. Yeah.
Okay.
And dinner gonna be from 5:30 to
Okay.
7:30. That time you can drink alcohol, limited for 2
Limited.
hours.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
About the wine, cocktail, beer, dry beer.
Okay.
Yes, and have the finger food. From 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. we have the turn-down service. Housekeeping will come to your room and self clean your room.
6 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And in your room key, you can scan it for anything in the hotel, like the restaurant menu or spa menu.
Okay.
Yes. Another restaurant in the 4th floor, the square restaurant.
Okay.
Swimming pool in the 4th floor too. Gym in 5th floor, spa 6th floor. And Wi-Fi. I have information you want to strong Wi-Fi.
Oh, yeah.
So you accept your Wi-Fi by your membership.
Okay.
Yeah, that will have the strong Wi-Fi.
Got it.
Yeah, and anything you can call the Yellow number. Yeah, I will change this. Just a
Alright,
moment.
alright.
Sorry
Thank you.
about that.
No worries. Siyempre lang tayo. Low-key pa rin tayo. No? Huwag kayong charot lang. So, merong security deposit. I think that's 4 million. Nabawasan tayo ng 4 million, guys. Short lang. Okay.
And I will call your luggage come to your room right now.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Nami.
Yeah, Nami. Thank you.
Nice meeting you, Nami. Thank you.
Nice to meet you too.
See you around.
Yeah.
Minsan nakaka-overwhelm, guys. Okay na yung na-try natin sa Grand Mercure, na-try natin sa Bana Hills nung last time. Parang okay na. Pero anyway, mas masaya kung may kasama tayo para at least na-experience nila, di ba? Ready na yung room natin as early as 12:15. So dapat 2 PM pa yung check-in. So meron naman kasi yung perks, guys, to request for an early check-in or late check-out. So ayun, I'm super excited na naman. And again, wala tayong gagastusin na naman dito. So far, ang mga nagagastos natin, guys, is more on transfer, airport transfer from one place to another, like from the hotel going to Bana Hills, from a hotel to going to Hoi An. And I've talked to Kuya Tanlok. He will be bringing us to Hoi An. I want to experience yung lantern, yung boat ride, basta ganun. Marami pa tayong vlogs. Alam niyo yun, o diba? Ang daming pwedeng gawin dito sa Da Nang. And soon we will go to Hanoi and Saigon or Ho Chi Minh. But ibang months na yun, guys. Gusto ko kasi parang mag-focus sa isang lugar, like kunyari sa Da Nang lang. Lahat ng pwedeng gawin sa Da Nang. Hindi naman lahat mako-cover natin kasi nga limited time lang tayo. As much as possible, lahat ng pwedeng or some of the highlights, attractions. Ganun din gagawin natin sa Hanoi. Pupunta tayo ng Sapa and Ho Chi Minh or Saigon. Ang maganda dito, guys, kasi yung mga pupuntahan natin at pag-i-stayan natin is mga Accor hotels, kaya I'm excited. So guys, samahan nyo ako na mag-enjoy. Yung kung paano yung napifeel ko, guys, sana ganun din, parang wow, ang ganda ng service, ang ganda ng parang privilege na meron tayo ngayon. Kasi grabe naman kasi yung pinagdaanan natin last year, for the entire year, para lang makuha tong status na to. And thank you so much, siyempre, pagsama sa akin hanggang ngayon. Pang ilang vlogs na ba natin to? Nakakaraming vlogs na tayo. And sabi ni Nami, yung general manager, supposedly gonna meet me. Grabe, guys, kakaiba yung binibigay na service sa akin, tsaka yung welcome sa ibang bansa compared sa atin. Pero ayoko naman yung may pag-grand welcome talaga. Kumbaga parang napag-usapan namin yun ng friend ko, ni Reggie, ni Cameron, na sabi ko nga parang sa Pilipinas kasi uso yung white privilege na syempre nga may na-open din yung topic na medyo karamihan sa mga Pinoy, aminin na natin, umaasa kasi ng tip. So uso kasi sa atin mag-tip, diba? Yung parang kada konting kilos mo lang, konting assist mo lang, parang nag-expect agad ng mga assist, ng mga tip. So yun, kaya siguro parang pag lokal ay wala lang. Actually marami ako na experience pero hindi ko na pinaparating, tinatago ko na lang, kinikim-kim ko, kaya ayun. Pero if ever given a chance na pag nag-stay tayo nun, mamit ko yung isa sa mga management, then i-open up ko para, you know, kasi ang hirap din baka bilang may makatagpo sila ng mga feeling entitled na guest, diba, ng mga Pinoy, lalo ng mga OFW na mga like nakatira sa ibang bansa talaga na, diba, hindi natin masasabi, at least aware sila sa mga ganung service. Marami akong experience, pero sabi ko nga sa inyo, guys, ayoko nagmamahiya, ayoko nagpipinpoint ng tao pag may ginawa sa akin kunyari isang staff. In general ko siya sasabihin, hindi ko siya like itong guy na to, itong boy na to, itong girl na to, yung mga ganun. In general ko sasabihin para ma-remind sila lahat, not being entitled, guys, but at least, diba, ma-remind sila na okay, mali pala itong ginagawa namin. May ganun, maraming ganung part sa Novotel. Hindi ko lang napaparating kasi nga ayokong mamahiya eh. So ayun, and that's it on our parang experience sa check-in. Guys, malay nyo naman, diba, makasama ko kayo, makasabayan ko kayo sa isang hotel basta under Accor, ay bibit-biti ko kayo sa lounge. Promise ko yan, para ma-experience nyo. Basta i-approach nyo ako, guys, huwag kayong mahiya. Kahit nagbablog ako, wala akong pakialam. Kahit biglang nagsasalita ako, busy ako, tapos sabihin nyo, hello Mark, or pwede nyo po kami pa-picture. After this check-in, guys, we will go to our room. Our room is located on the 28th floor. And syempre, idugtong na natin yung room tour. Okay? Because I'm so excited kasi sa view at sa room na binigay sa atin. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'll go to the room.
Yeah, so the luggage come to your room already.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
So near.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
oh, yeah, because we're on the 29th floor.
yeah, this is 29.
Oh, okay. So just one floor.
This time You go by business or travel?
Yeah, travel.
So you go travel?
Oh, yeah,
all
I
time.
do.
Yeah, so interesting.
I know, right? Because I got to learn different, you know, culture, people, meet people.
The weather, maybe have friendly. So if you go outside, really take umbrella in the concert counter.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Nan.
Bye-bye.
I'll see you.
Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Guys, I don't really need those parang grabbing service, pero na-overwhelm ako, promise. Nakita nyo naman, napapanood nyo, diba? So, sama-sama tayo maging masaya.
Ayan. So, we are on the 28th floor, guys. Kung sa elevator, makikita nyo, premier floor ang tawag nila dito. Tapos, 29th floor lang yung lounge. So, pwede pala tayo maghagdanan. Pero, syempre, ayaw maghagdanan, no? So, our room is 2819. So, 2820. So, ito. Okay. What is that? Well, wait lang ha. Syempre, guys, we're gonna have a room tour. We're gonna have a room tour and a breakfast buffet. But for now, parang na-curious lang ako kung anong building to. Okay. Ang bango. Ang bango. Parang may nagpabango. Ang ganda. Para siyang capsule. Anong building to? Sige, alamin natin yan. Ayan. Okay. So here, 2819. Ayan. So check natin muna. If ever nagstay na kayo sa Novotel sa atin, almost the same. Yung setup niya, yung design ng room. Pero syempre, mag-room tour pa rin tayo, okay? So let's start. Basta guys, if ever pupunta nga kayo sa mga, or mag-stay kayo sa mga hotels, kahit Airbnb sa mga accommodations, make sure na aware kayo sa emergency evacuation plan. Though, every time naman siguro na maglalakad-lakad kayo, papunta kayo palalabas, manonotice nyo naman yung mga emergency exit outside. So, yun lang. At least, just in case of any emergency, di ba? Now, look at this. They have to switch for privacy and makeup room. Switch for lights, and then ito na papel lang siya, in fairness carry naman, ayun o, papel. Tapos ito naman okay naman, wala kayong magiging problema kasi pwede yung ma-double lock, yan. So pag may pumasok dyan guys, basta naka yan, naka on, kumbaga parang naka switch, walang makakapasok, lock, double lock yan. So here pagpasok nyo meron of course na bathrobes, may plancha, may hanger, may sleepers. Pwedeng iuwi ang sleepers guys. Ituturo ko na lang kung ano mga pwedeng iuwi, okay? Then the rest na hindi ko sasabihin na kung pwedeng iuwi is wag nyo iuwi. So meron plancha, and look at this. Diba? They have face masks, like mask talaga ha, for fire escape hood. Now next, this one is the almost full body mirror. Twerk. Ayan, and then space for your luggage, and merong weighing scale, but we are not gonna use that one guys. X ayaw malaman yung ano. Is the very Novotel design in this way. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Alright, so anyway, going back guys, so they have the vanity mirror here with the lights, of course, very cozy. And then vanity sink. They have complimentary body lotion and body wash over here. Pwede kayo mag-refill dyan guys. Kung piling nyo ubos na, magpa-refill kayo. They have towel here, baso, kung gusto nyo mag-brush. And then, of course, complimentary shaving kit, comb, dental kit. Ayan guys, pwede umuwi. Pwede kayo mag-request ng marami, especially kung dalawa kayo guys. Good for 2, good for 3. Pwede, hindi sila madamot, okay? They have the blower here, or the hair dryer, and they have the magnifying mirror over here for makeup mirror, and towel of course, toilet paper, and look at the toilet paper, they also have like sariling lagayan. Ito pwedeng iuwi. O diba? Okay guys. Tapos, of course, towels and tissue, trash bin, and over here, ang maganda dito guys, especially katulad ng Novotel sa atin, is separate ang toilet and shower. So here, shower guys, they have the rain head shower, they have the portable handheld shower over here, and of course the complimentary shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Of course, this is a hot and cold shower guys. So this is pamunas sa sahig, yan, kasi kung medyo maano kayo. New Balance guys, so talaga todo approval. Pero, ay guys, sobrang, i-add ko lang ha, sobrang amazing ng New Balance na to. Kahit alam niyo yung sobrang layo na nalalakad nyo, napaka-komportable, and which is yun naman talagang hinahanap natin. If magka-travel kayo na alam niyo yung mga tour na pupuntahan niyo is puro lakad, wear comfortable shoes. And alam ko kilalang New Balance sa mga ganong shoes. Basta, ito, I got this in Singapore, sa may Changi. Changi Airport. Yan. Alright, so let's check the toilet. Okay. So, ano bang meron? Same sila ng flash ng Grand Mercure. Ito. So, flash muna natin. So, we have phone for emergency use, tissue, and then of course, the bidet, which is, sabi ko nga sa Vietnam, usong bidet guys. Unlike sa Hong Kong, mga Chinese country. Sa Hong Kong, China, sa Macau, even Macau, walang bidet. And also sa Taiwan. So ito, guys, meron silang safety deposit box. Areas where you can put your things over here. Merong laundry bag. And libre yung laundry bag, guys. Pwede nyo iuwi. And here, shoe mitt. Ayun. So if ever, guys, lalabas kayo, since may safety deposit box, kung wala namang tiwala, lagay nyo na lang sa luggage nyo, tapos make sure na nakalock. Kasi, syempre tiwala ako sa mga Accor hotels, di ba? If you don't want, parang doubt kayo sa hotel or sa room na meron kayo at sa mga staff, syempre, bring your personal, like, important items, or you can put them on the luggage, make sure na nakalock, or kahit may padlock pa kayo, and so on. So, we're done. And this side, so they have coffee maker here. I'm not sure kung nasan yung bala, yung capsule. They have the kettle, they have the mugs here. Mas preferred ko yung malalaking mugs kasi pag nagko-coffee ako, gusto ko marami. And make sure before you use this one, you need to check inside. And then, banlawan nyo muna ng mainit, guys, kasi I've experienced I think twice na merong strip ng noodles over here. Lagay nyo lang ng tubig kahit sa faucet, tapos initin nyo. Then, yung init niya, banlaw nyo sa mga glass or sa mga mugs. Okay? Now, they have glass here for water. And they have, look, scanner QR code for minibar price list. So, ibig sabihin, guys, hindi siya libre. Especially yung mga nasa fridge. Atras tayo. So, they have another space here for your luggage. And working table is really nice. Kasi meron na siyang mga mga plug here for HDMI. And then, meron din for TV. Meron pang PowerPoint cord. Tapos, for TV, audio. Everything here is you need to scan to get more information. Parang hotel directory. Tapos dito, may complimentary water, which is part of our staying here. So, you can bring them home. You can bring home this tea, complimentary tea. And I guess this is the coffee capsule. Ito nga. So, you can request as many as you want. Then, you can bring them home. Not the remote control. And they have TV here. I think this is a 43 inches TV. Medyo sanay tayo sa mga sizes ng TV kasi meron tayong ganyan. Meron din akong 53 or 54 inches TV. And then may information about the hotel. We're gonna read that one later. But I'm excited to read this one. So, this is from Lynn, the one, the front office manager that we met a while ago. So, dear Mr. Mark Albert Paragas, it is our great pleasure to welcome you to Novotel Da Nang. Please do feel free to solicit us if there's anything that we can do to enhance your comfort or well-being during your stay. We hope you will have a pleasant, comfortable, and relaxing time staying with us. Thank you so much, Lynn, and thank you for all the staff that I've met a while ago, Martin and Lumi. Ayun. So, and look at this. They gave me a dark chocolate. Oh my god, I'm gonna bring this home kasi ang ganda ng lagayan, ang ganda ng bottle. Hot maca, daklak. So, wala siyang English. Pero look at that naman, chocolate, dark chocolate. And then another one, thank you so much. This is what? Namwong Sei Chan Kong. Nuts. Parang mixed nuts. Oh, hindi. Dried mushroom. Iuwi ko na lang ito. Thank you so much for all the management staff of Novotel Da Nang Premier Han River. Baka isipin nyo, bakit Han River? Because guys, our view and this hotel is sobrang lapit lang sa Han River. Like, accessible and tanaw nyo na. Ganito yung na-experience natin. And ito yung sabi kong sobrang excited ako i-showcase sa inyo guys. Para alam nyo naman, di ba? So, marami tayo sa atin na parang mga ganito yung gustong ma-feel pag nag-hotel staycation. So, who knows, di ba? Magiging ano rin kayo soon, platinum or diamond. Lalo na kung mahilig kayo mag-travel or mag-stay sa mga hotels, staycation. You can register and sign up to be a member of Accor. And then, sabi ko nga, every time na mag-stay kayo, magdadine kayo sa mga restaurants, you will earn points and status points. Yung status points nyo will get you to the next level kung ma-reach nyo yung pinaka-specific number of status nights and points, of course. I'm not gonna discuss any information about Accor, guys, but if you want to get to know more how to earn, how to become platinum or diamond, or what are the other statuses that Accor has, then you can follow my friend Cameron, or you can follow his YouTube channel, which is Be Baffled Travel. So he's an Aussie, my friend, Australian friend, and he is actually staying in an Accor hotels for 1 year, 365 days, guys. Different hotels, of course. So if you want to check the room of, let's say, meron kayo napupusuan ng mga Accor hotels, not only in the Philippines but also in Vietnam, in Thailand, in Indonesia, then you might want to check his channel. Again, Be Baffled Travel, follow and subscribe. And hi mate, thank you so much. Okay, so that's it. Next is the bed, of course. I'll show you, of course. Ayan, very Novotel, diba? But in Novotel Manila, Araneta City, guys, we preferred twin room kasi pinagdidikit namin yon. Tapos mas malaki yung bed, tapos sa gitna yung parang pinakahiwa niya is nilalagyan namin ng comforter kasi guys, I'm not using any comforter. Nagre-request ako ng flat sheet kasi nga pinagpapawisan ako. Pag comforter gamit natin, kahit na sobrang lamig pa ng room, kailangan ko ng flat sheet para habang natutulog mas napipil ko pa rin yung lamig. So they have two side table and then merong tissue dito provided. Look at the headboard, sobrang ganda. And telephone, of course, in case you need any assistance, just press 0 for the operator. Now they have a couch here, or I mean sofa. This room actually is, I think, good for 3 adults, and usually naman guys ang mga Novotel is good for 2 adults and libre na yung 2 kids, as long as they're gonna be occupying the same bed as yours, like that. And syempre, papatalo ba yung view? Are you ready? Let's go. We have a balcony, guys. And again, we are located on the 28th floor. I never actually requested for this one. Basta ang sabi ko lang, kung napakinggan nyo naman yung sabi ko kanina, or sabi ni Nami kanina, request ako ng room talaga na maganda yung connection. Na okay ang connection. Alright? So, syempre huwag natin pataglip pa. Let's head to the balcony and we're gonna do a lot of vlogs here, guys. Like mga walkthrough. How? Facing Hilton, guys. Facing Marriott Hotel. OMG. Oh, by the way, wait. Let's go back to the bathroom, by the way. You can close this one, 2 doors. Yan, very Novotel talaga siya. And the other one. Tapos, sa Novotel kasi, sa Novotel Manila, Araneta City, this is automatic. Pwedeng bumaba, pwedeng tumaas. Parang siyang blinds. Tapos, meron din namang mga rooms doon, guys, na parang frosted wall. Tapos, nagiging frosted, nagiging transparent. Parang gano'n. So, ito, hindi ko lang alam kung ano ito. Exhaust. Kasi inikot-ikot ko kanina, akala ko kung ano. So, anyway, now, look. Oh, sorry. Medyo manual tayo. Since wala mo tayong kasama. So, let's stay this open. Look at that. Para ba nag-shower kayo, oh. Wala namang makakasilip sa inyo unless naka Android. Yung S Ultra ba yun? Ang dami binabanggit na no brands. So anyway, we are done here, of course, and let's go now to the balcony. Ayan, push down to open, to unlock, then lock, pull up. Kumbaga parang push up, ganun. So ayan, lock. Pero push down, ganun lang. Look at this. Oh my God. Diba? I'm so amazed. Merong gripo. Para saan? Ano to? Pwedeng maligo dito? Wala akong nakikita drainage. Ayun, ito. Sink. Sink. Ayan. or feeling ko baka may plants dapat dito. Pero actually, yeah, meron ditong plants sana. Pero anyway, let's look at the view, guys. This is Han River. That's why this hotel, guys, called or Novotel Da Nang Premier Han River. Kasi mismong tabi niya lang, Han River. And there's a lot of activities that you can do here, by the way. I saw one already, which is the cruise, dinner cruise, guys. Let's check kung may time tayo. Try natin para makita naman natin itong river na to sa gabi. And I think dadaan tayo ng Dragon Bridge. That's the Dragon Bridge, guys. And we are facing again Hilton and Marriott. And I think Novotel, guys, is a 4-star hotel. Kahit ang mga Mercure, Grand Mercure, even the Bana Hills, guys, the French Village Bana Hills Grand Mercure is a 4-star hotel. Ang mga 5-star hotel ng Accor, guys, is like Sofitel, ano pa ba? Movenpick, ayan, mga yan, Fairmont. Yung Pullman is I think 4-star. I'm not sure, Pili ko 5-star din siya. But yung experience kasi natin sa Pullman sa Bangkok is like parang 3-star service lang. Nag-open up na naman. Alright, so we are done with the room tour, guys. And syempre, we're gonna spend like 2 nights over the weekend. And I hope na-enjoy nyo, guys, ang ating room tour and also yung pinakita ko sa inyo yung ating pag-check out. Sinama na natin yung pag-check out natin sa Bana Hills. Then we went here, kunwari. we went back to Da Nang, guys, to experience Novotel, and then yung check-in process and the VIP experience lounge. And I'm so excited to show you guys kung ano pang meron itong hotel. So we're gonna have a hotel tour separately, and then breakfast buffet experience, and another vlog about the lounge access. Like, napakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga food at anong experience meron sa breakfast, merong afternoon tea, and also yung dinner or the evening cocktails. Plus, mag-a-add na rin ako na parang gagawin nating topic. I-add na lang natin, guys, yung parang bag rate tayo para malaman nyo kung ano yung mga ginagamit ko, dinadala ko, para magkaroon din kayo ng idea pag nag-travel kayo. Kasi yun yung palang mga essentials na dapat dinadala ng isang traveler. Para naman ano, hindi lang yung lounge access lang, di ba? So after lounge access, then babalik tayo sa room para mag-vlog. Ayun, para maging productive. At least, hindi lang lounge access, okay, lounge, okay, pakita ka ng pagkain, yan yung ano, di ko na. So at least meron pa rin kayong information and guide na pwede makuha, okay, sa video na yon. So guys, that's really it. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin for another vlog here in Da Nang, especially here staying in Novotel Da Nang Premier Han River. And guys, marami pa tayong vlogs dito. Lubos-lubosin na natin. Ito na yung parang pinaka-ano, malapit na matapos yung vlog natin. And syempre magkakaroon tayong finale vlog. Nag-iisip ako actually kung anong gagawin natin sa finale na vlog natin, kung ano activity yung meron. But again, if you like this video, just like and share. And kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs natin. You can also follow me on my other social media accounts, and enjoy life, guys. Live life to the fullest, enjoy every moment like this moment, and you will never get to this age again. So please get out of your comfort zone, do whatever makes you happy, and follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. Thank you so much, everyone. See you tomorrow.